Hi everyone, I'm April Jam Padua from BSHM Block 5, and today I'll be walking you through the basics of using Microsoft Excel. So in this video, I'll show you how to enter data, do arithmetic operations, sort information, and create a chart. So let's get started. So first, I'm going to open yung Microsoft Excel. Open natin. Pagkatapos natin dyan is, kikreate tayo ng UNO workbook. Ito. Then after, mag-enter tayo ng numbers sa column A. So, I'll now enter 10 numbers in column A. This can represent anything like grades or sales. So, sales yung gagawin natin dito. Ayan, after natin sa column A, proceed tayo sa column B. And sa column B naman, I'll enter 10 items in column B. This can be names, products, or categories. So, ang ilalagay ko naman dito is fruits, since sales yung gagawin natin. Ayan. After nyan, magpo-proceed naman tayo sa step 3. Ang gagawin natin din is magpe-perform tayo ng arithmetic na operations. So, let's now use yung formulas to do basic math operations in Excel. So, gagawin ko yon dito sa column C. So, unahin natin is addition. So, in C1, I'll type equals, then A1, then shift plus 12, A2, enter. Ayan natin gagawin. Ganun din yung gagawin natin sa subtraction. So, equals, then A3, then minus A4, then equals. Ganun lang, sunod-sunod lang. So, sa multiplication naman tayo, I type equals A5, then shift, yan, then equals. Then next is sa last divide division. So, equals A7, then divide A8, enter. So, ito na siya. These are the 4 basic arithmetic operations. Add, subtract, multiply, and divide. So, yung Excel is kinakalculate niya ito ng, kinakalculate niya yung mga problem natin na automatic. So, next naman is mag-start tayo ng data. Ang gagawin natin is, sort natin yung numbers sa column A ascending sa order. So, select natin yung 1 and then hanggang 10. 1 to 10. Wait. Yan. Tapos, punta tayo ng sort, smallest to largest. Sort natin. Yan. Tapos, next naman is yung sa column B. Gagawin natin dito is A to Z naman siya. So, sort natin A to Z. Copy natin yan. And then, A to Z, sort. A to Z. Yan. So, ito na yung kinalabasan niya. So, sa next step naman natin is mag-create na tayo ng chart dito. So, next, I'll create a chart using the values from column A. Highlight A1 to A10. So, click Insert. Choose any chart type like column chart. So, dito tayo magbe-base. Select natin ito lahat. And then, Insert. And Charts. Here. Pipili lang tayo ng charts dito. So, ang gagawin ko, ito na lang. Yung pi na lang gagawin ko para mas mabilis. After nyan naman, I'll set the chart title to my full name so it's personalized. So, papalitan ko lang ito ng full name ko. Caps lock natin. Ayan. So, that's it. I've shown you how to enter data, use arithmetic formulas, sort columns, and create a chart. So, don't forget to save your Excel file and your screen recording. So, tapos na tayo guys. Isi-save na natin siya. Palitan lang natin yung name ng April. And save. And we're done. So, thank you for watching guys. I hope you learn something from me. Thank you.